In this video, we'll walk through the calendar week mode, which allows users to customize the calendar view by selecting the number of weeks displayed per month. Let's get started. First, we add the super filter to the report and adjust its position as needed. Next, we populate the category field with the date column. By default, the date slider appears in the report. Then we need to switch to month view. To do this, navigate to the Date Filter section in the Format pane and select Calendar View under Selection Style. By default, the Calendar Controls option is enabled, but we can disable it. The Calendar View is automatically set to Month Range, but we can change it to Month View for a more structured display. Next, we set the month count to 3, allowing us to view 3 months within the filter. To display all 3 months clearly, we rotate the layout of the calendar and enable the week number toggle to show the week numbers at the top. Now, we have a clearer view to better understand calendar week mode. For further clarity, we can also set the starting month to January to better visualize how the weeks are structured. Now, let's explore the week calendar mode options. The first option is Regular, which displays months with a standard number of weeks. Next, we select 454 weeks from the drop-down menu. This setting displays January with 4 weeks, February with 5 weeks, and March with 4 weeks, repeating this pattern throughout the calendar. This model is widely used in retail and FMCG industries as it aligns financial reporting with operational cycles, ensuring consistency in inventory management and demand forecasting. Then, we choose 445 weeks, where January and February each have 4 weeks, and March is 5 weeks. This pattern continues for the following months. This structure streamlines financial planning by keeping working weeks consistent and placing the extra week at quarter end, making reporting, payroll, and forecasting more efficient. Finally, we select 544 weeks, where the first month has 5 weeks and the next 2 months have 4 weeks each, repeating the same structure throughout the calendar. This standardized approach enhances financial reporting, inventory management, and production planning by ensuring accurate period comparisons and better demand forecasting. When calendar week mode is set to any option other than regular, the week calculation setting becomes available. The week calculation option allows users to define how weeks are structured and displayed in the calendar. This is how the calendar week mode feature helps align the calendar with specific reporting needs, business cycles, or other organizational requirements. Download Inforiver Super Filter from Microsoft App Source to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.